All right, so now that we talked about web, we're now ready to talk about WPA, better known as Wi-Fi Protected Access. So WPA was designed as an interim fix to web's issue of being insecure. It was never designed to be a long-term solution. It was designed to be a short-term fix to make web devices more secure. So as they were developing a long-term solution, which was WPA2, they also developed WPA, which was backwards compatible with some of the web devices, at least some of the newer ones. The really old ones were not compatible and you had to purchase a newer device, but for a majority of the devices still in use and on the market when WPA came about, you could simply update those with a software firmware upgrade, and then WPA would now be an option. So your wireless access points, your routers, your network interface cards, they could simply get that firmware upgrade and they would have WPA as an option. So just understand that WPA was not designed to be a long-term solution, and that's why it has some components of web. So it uses the weaker RC4 algorithm, or the cipher in cryptology terminology. It has this RC4 weaker cipher, and it still uses its IV, its initialization vector, but instead of being in plain text, well, they fixed that. It's now an encrypted hash when you use WPA. And they also created something new for WPA called TKIP, which is Temporal Key Integrity Protocol, and this was designed to dynamically change the encryption key over time. Now, you don't need to know exactly how this works, but I want to make sure, again, just like for web, that I included some of this terminology. And if you do come across this on the exam, you at least know from a high level the different aspects of WPA. So, like I said, it was never designed to be a long-term fix. And you'll notice that from the last video, web was officially retired in 2004. Well, WPA2 superseded WPA in 2006. So it was only around for a couple years as an interim solution. And when they finished WPA2, well, they retired WPA. And so we're going to talk about WPA2 in the next video. If you have any questions about WPA, please let me know. If not, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Well, I hope that you enjoyed today's video and you learned a lot from it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and also consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Now, if you're interested in taking this full course or just learning more about it, check out the video description down below, because I've included a link where you can learn more about the course and enroll into it if you'd like. So again, thanks for watching my video. I appreciate it, and I look forward to seeing you guys at the next video. Take care.